Okay, guys, so I'm going to walk us through a couple of things in this section and in the next section. I'm just going to click on Thesis Practice. And it's going to bring up a page that looks like this. So this is pretty simple and straightforward. It's just going to give you a really easy prompt. Like in this case, decide who your favorite person is. Why is that person your favorite? And it's asking you to answer that prompt with a 3-part thesis. And I'll show you what I mean. In this case, Miss Stanek wrote our thesis. She said she uses her daughter here. She says, Lady Carolyn Stanek is my favorite person because, and then she's going to list 3 reasons. So all she does is pick her favorite person, say that that's her favorite person, and then list the 3 reasons. This is her favorite person because she is always smiling, because she makes me laugh always, and because she loves her mom more than her dad. Now, those 3 reasons just get tacked on at the end of her thesis. And they'll sync up with the 3 body paragraphs when we start writing our body paragraphs. And then you're going to go, all you have to do is just go through the rest of these and pretty much do the same thing for those prompts that they give you. Now, I'm going to X out of here. I'm going to move on to the next part, which is filling the missing piece. And all this, fill in the missing piece, all it's going to ask you to do is take a look at some sample introductions that are kind of maybe mixed up or are missing one of the 3 pieces: attention grabber, bridge, or thesis. So for instance, we'll take a look at this first one. It says, our essay question says, should students be allowed to use social media in school? Now, the introduction is going to answer that prompt, but it's only going to give you part of the introduction. You have to decide what part is missing and then write the missing part to complete the introduction. So this says, because of its mass usage, social media in schools is becoming an increasingly important aspect of education. Social media use should be permitted in schools because students can communicate in a large group about assignments, because students can use social media to create more interesting projects, and because students can learn the significance of digital etiquette. There you'll see that 3-part thesis again. All that it's in this case, the attention grabber is what's missing. So you would circle attention grabber up here and then add an attention grabber to complete it. The bridge and the thesis are the only things included in this introduction. And there's a few more of them, so you'll just go through here, decide what's missing, circle that part, and then write the actual piece that's missing to complete the introduction.